Setting your preferred search engine on your iPhone 16 lets you customize your browsing experience by choosing which search provider handles your Safari searches. Here's how it's done. To get started, swipe up from the bottom of the display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you get to the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Safari from the list of apps and then tap on it to access its settings. Navigate to the search section, then tap on Search Engine. Now choose your preferred search engine. You can choose any from Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any other available options, according to your browsing needs and preferences. Your browser selection will be applied automatically, so the next time you launch the browser, your preferred search engine will be the one to load up. This iPhone feature affects all searches performed from Safari's address bar and ensures your preferred search engine handles your web queries. Note that changing your search engine only affects new searches, and your choice will remain until you change it again. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.